Ready? Or upload soon about the E34. But today is a special day. A very, very special day.
Tell our readers what this car is about.
It's about our readers.
No, not this car. The car that we're gonna go see.
Oh no, that's the surprise. It's a reveal video more than anything.
Are we gonna set a fire just like those reveals that everyone's like setting when they have their babies?
No, it's definitely not that kind of reveal.
Oh.
Is this one mine?
I don't know. You already got your hands in it.
No, I think that's enough.
Garbage.
Intro banter / garbage for us to just mess around. Welcome to Super Beamer Brothers. This is our first upload and the first upload / reveal for our first build. But a little bit about us. We're basically just two brothers that love BMWs, and we don't do anything else. We want to be able to restore and customize BMWs. We have a handful of them right now, and we wanted to share that with everyone out there and share any advice or share any tips and tricks that come along the way rebuilding cars. And today what we're going to be doing is we're driving out to Moreno Valley to get our next car, or my next car.
No, my next car.
It's mine. It's a car that I've wanted ever since I got into BMWs. When I first got the E30, the red convertible E30, that was like in 2013.
Which, by the way, was not your E30 in the first place. It was first mine.
Yeah, I've never actually bought any car, from a stranger. I've always just bummed him off my brother.
Yeah, that was my
including
car.
the gray E30 that I'm building right now. Like that one is still, I didn't buy from anybody. Really, he is the acquisitionist.
I'm the hustler.
He hustles his way into E30s all the time. Psych. Anyway, back to the story. Is the red Vert that my brother picked up out in Chula Vista?
That was in.
Yeah, I'll insert a photo here. This is what it looked like when we first brought it home, or when my brother first brought it home. And I really didn't know much about it, other than my brother said it was cool and I should own one. Within the first year or two, I saw I don't even think I should say what car I saw that, and then I started really appreciating the E30. I'll let you know what car that was later on in the video. You guys tell us what you want. We'll do our best to give you what you want, honestly, because we want the community to thrive and survive. There's a lot of people now entering the game with older E30s that don't know what they're doing exactly, and that's okay. We still don't know what we're doing. But I think it's fair to say that we learned a lot of things along the way, and we want to share that with you. I seriously can't be happier. I don't even know how to express it other than when I get to tell you what we just got. The short story of how we got it going and how we thought we were gonna tow it home, but we actually didn't have to, which is the best part because we are running a really, really tight budget. So for this to be on its way home on its own is incredible. Brother's tailing me in the M3 just to make sure this thing doesn't break down and we're stranded, or I'm stranded by myself. Alright guys, that was a hell of a drive home from Moreno Valley all the way down to San Diego. And as I promised, here as I promised, the reveal. 1, 2, 3. It is a 1987 BMW 528e. and it is beautiful. It is beautiful and in decent shape for what I paid for it, which was $1,100. $1,100. It was supposedly not running, and that's the thing, is that it sat for 3 or so years from what the owner said, and sitting that long, and all we had to do was put fresh gas in it, make sure the oil was fine, and we cranked it over like a couple times just to make sure it was well lubricated and we weren't just like dry cranking it. But after that, it was perfect. It idles well, but it's not like it's about to die every time. I mean, it made it from Moreno Valley to San Diego. So stoked, I'm so excited. I'm super happy because this is the one car I've been wanting for the longest time. I mean, I have the E30, don't mind my couch, and I have this E30. I know it's under the cover, but you get what I'm saying. It's just, I love these cars, but I love the E28, and there's nothing that I've wanted more than an E28. And there I have it. Let's turn it on. I want to show you guys. Beautiful M20. Oh, there's the extra tail light. It actually came with the car, which is great because they're not easy to find. That's the only thing holding it from skinning my scalp, you know, taking it straight off my bone. You don't mind the glove, it actually had a cracked oil cap. So, you know, the oil cap does hold vacuum. So if it's cracked, it will actually result in a vacuum leak. It is running smooth. It is so smooth. It is dirty. Yeah, it's dirty, but it is incredibly smooth. What kind of BMW would it be without all the oil everywhere? And to be sitting for so many years and, you know, start right up after just putting a fresh battery, which is the wrong size, by the way. AutoZone totally screwed us on that. But we can go swap that out at a local AutoZone, hopefully. Pretty soon, we're gonna be looking into swapping this out for either an M20 B25 or something else. You know, this is gonna be the build. This is the launch build. We cannot be more excited to see you guys react to what we do to this car. And most of it's gonna be from what you guys want, because we want this to be unique. We want this to actually be what we're all about, which is modifying and restoring. I mean, this thing needs so much work. Grills are missing. The wheels are just in terrible shape. The tires are so dry rotted. I don't even know why I drove it here on dry tires. I mean, this one seems to be okay, but you can kind of tell from the rubber that they're pretty old. But look at the body. The body is in great condition. Like, for a 1987 for $1,100, you can't really get much better than this. Like I said, I do have the replacement tail light. Everything else is seriously cosmetic. Like, I don't really see anything wrong with making this a daily, other than the suspension does need work. The suspension's so shot, like I was swerving in and out of lanes on the freeway, but I made it here, and that's all that matters. I mean, it's gonna need an entire overhaul, but it's working, and I'm glad you guys get to see it, and I'm glad you guys are gonna follow along, hopefully. So let this be the end of this upload. I will work on the next video, and hopefully it's either gonna be working on this car or it's gonna be getting the E30 started. But let me know what you guys want to see, honestly. Do you guys want me and my bro to turn this into the daily and see how it goes? Or should we just strip it all down, start over, and get fresh paint, fresh everything on it, and see where we take it. It's all up to you. So please remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and let us know what you want to see. And until next time, thank you guys very much. Have a great day.